top for a while. That's how I keep it to the moon. Fast car make one boom boom. Boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas. Bought a big paddock with a brand new bitch. Inside new Maybach coupe in the budget.
Hello sweeties, welcome back, and today we're doing Luvme hair. They sent me over a 5x5 closure wig. It's pre-plucked, it has pre-bleached knots, and it is pre-styled. It comes with these beautiful bouncy curls. Girl, yes. So inside you can see that 5x5 closure. It has 3 combs in the top, 1 on each side, 1 in the middle, a glueless band, a comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. Now we're going to get into the prep. I go in with my 3D Contour Artist palette. I find the shade that is closest to my skin, and I just brush that all over my cap, especially in the areas that I know will show through my lace. For this install, I'm keeping it really simple, so I'm going in with that same shade on my lace, just in the part and around the front of the hairline, just to make sure that my lace is tinted, and when I put it on, it all matches. So this is a super beginner friendly install, so I'm going in with my trusty Got To Be Glued. I'm going to do 2 layers. The first layer I kind of pat and smooth out, and I go ahead and I take my blow dryer and get it a little bit tacky where it's almost dry but it's still sticky. So as you can see, I spray a little bit, I pat, I smooth it out and drag it exactly where I need it to be. I make sure it's completely covered in that area. Then I go in with my blow dryer on a cool heat and just kind of hit it real quick and let it get a little bit tacky, not where it's completely dry. And then I go in again, this would be my second layer, and just do the same thing again. And you can repeat this step as many times as you see fit. I usually do 2 to 3 layers. It's just really up to you and what you find to be right for you. So now it's time to lay the hair down. I just pull it down to the very edge of where I have my Got To Be, and I tie it down with some sort of elastic band. And you can just sit there if you like, or you can use your blow dryer to help it along. I use a low heat setting, and I can usually feel when the Got To Be or the glue is dry because I can no longer feel that cool wet feeling. So now it's time to cut the lace. I just cut it up the middle, and then I cut the 2 pieces off. You want to take a razor like I have here and just get as close as you can to the hairline, and just make sure you don't cut yourself because these can be very sharp. If you feel more comfortable using scissors, that's fine. Just make sure you're doing a zigzag sort of motion while you're cutting it close to the hairline. So this is a very natural wig. I know some girls are for baby hair, some are not. I mean, if you like this look right here, you can definitely stop. But for the girls that want to keep going, we're going to go ahead and just do some very soft baby hairs on the side, more like in the temple area, just to kind of mesh everything together and give it a really nice styled look. I just kind of go in a C shape. When I part out my baby hairs, I just kind of take a little bit and go around in like a half circle, if you will, and it kind of brings down just enough. I didn't want anything crazy, you know, just some faint little wispies, nice little swoops. I want to keep this still very natural because this is a very everyday friendly wig, and so you see how I'm just kind of parting out and keeping it real nice. Then I trim them, and I take my Got To Be, you can use gel or styling foam, and just do your nice little swoops, and that's that. So sometimes I take a little got to be and start to swoop back the hairs that are supposed to be away from the baby hair just to give some real definition. I want to slick it down and show the pluckage in the front, if you will. I take my hot comb and really just lay into that hairline so that you're getting a nice definition. It looks really smooth and styled and just looks like a scalp, girl. So now you can see me go in with the same brush I used earlier for my wig cap and my lace, just using whatever is left in the brush to pat down and pat around my hairline. You definitely don't have to because she was already laid and made in the shade, but hey, this just takes it a step further and just really blends out anything that might have lifted or whatever. Okay, so while I finish styling this, I want to give you my final thoughts. This is definitely 100% a beginner-friendly wig. I want to show you exactly how to take it straight out of the box and wear it. Pre-plucked hairline, bleach knots, deep part. It's giving you everything it needs to give. Beautiful luster, bouncy curls straight out of the box. I mean, those curls were popping, okay? I'm gonna say it again, like I always say, Luvme Hair is in my top 3 companies. I've had 13x4s by them, but baby, their closure game is nothing to play with. They kill every wig they put out. I have many wigs from them and they are so long lasting. I tell everyone, if you're ever looking for an everyday wig, go to Luvme website. Look at that. Go to their website, check them out. I want to thank Luvme Hair for sending me this unit. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I want to say thank you for rocking with me. I know I've been gone for a minute. Life happens, but baby, I took it by the reins and I am still here. And I just want to say I will be back with many more reviews. So go ahead and hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. And I love you guys so much. And until next time, stay sweet.